MCM, like Kcmil, is intended to be computed as a value representing the circular area of the wire in thousands circular mils. 1000 circular mils is equal to the area of a circle with a diameter of 1 mil, or 0.1 inches. 1 MCM is equal to 1000 circular mils. The confusion that has occurred is because the standards that initially defined and were used by various manufacturers to compute MCM wire sizes were not the same. Over the years, however, as a result of increasing globalization and the need for standardization, more and more manufacturers have been referencing the same standards. For instance, as per ULITI 3, 1 MCM equals 1000 circular mils. The term MCM is defined in UL standards as a value representing the circular area of the wire in 1000 circular mils. However, since the actual computed area differs from the nominal area, as per UL standards, MCM conductor sizing is slightly different from Kcmil conductor sizing. For wire sizes number 14 AWG through 4/0 AWG, the computed MCM area is the same as the AWG area, both being based on the Brown and Sharp circular mil table. For wire sizes 250 MCM and larger, the computed MCM area is the same as the Kcmil area, both being based on the circular mil table specified in ASTM B258. For wire sizes 1 AWG through 216 MCM, however, the computed MCM area is different from the Kcmil area. For these sizes, the MCM area is computed using the following formula: MCM equals the quantity AWG constant times AWG size divided by 12.668, whereas the Kcmil area is computed using the following formula: Kcmil equals AWG constant divided by 0.1. As a result of this difference in the formula, 1 AWG is equal to 211.6 MCM, but equal to 211.5 Kcmil. Similarly, 1/0 AWG is equal to 167.8 MCM, but equal to 167.7 Kcmil, and so on. Since the difference in computed area is quite small, and since the term MCM has been in common usage for many years, it is rare to see Kcmil used in the industry today. Most manufacturers now use MCM as a generic term to describe conductor sizes 1 AWG and larger.